I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what kind of keyboard you have and powering both devices. Plug a wired keyboard into the TV's USB port or install batteries and switch on a Bluetooth keyboard. Make sure the TV is on the correct input and open settings. Navigate to remotes and accessories or Bluetooth. Once done, set the keyboard to pairing mode. Hold the Bluetooth button. These steps ensure the TV can discover the keyboard and that you don't waste time troubleshooting power or mode issues. Now you pair and finalize communication. In remotes and accessories, choose Add Accessory or Scan. The TV will list nearby keyboards. You select the correct device name, and if the TV asks for a PIN, type it on the keyboard and press Enter to authenticate. Make sure to allow any on-screen prompts. If some keys don't respond, check for TV software updates and install them. Firmware mismatches can block advanced features like media keys, so updating often fixes unexpected behavior. Finish by testing and resolving problems. Open a search box or note app and type to verify all keys and shortcut functions work. Test arrow, enter, and media keys. If the keyboard isn't detected, try a different USB port or toggle Bluetooth off and on, then rescan. When keys misbehave, remove the accessory and repair it, or reboot the TV to clear temporary glitches. If nothing helps, try the keyboard with another device to isolate whether the keyboard or the TV is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.